Peter Solma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I am standing on our 2011 260 Sundancer. Let's take a look. Nice profile shot of the boat here. This boat does have an isinglass enclosure. It also comes with a cockpit cover. Stepping into the boat, we have nice L-shaped seating right here, plenty of room. This can convert up. There's a little pad, a little filler that would go in right here. On our starboard side, we have a nice sink. A little spot here for some trash. Little grab rail, cup holders. Nice Bimini top again, gives you some nice coverage from the sun. This boat is equipped with a Mercruiser 350 mag. The boat has approximately 150 hours on board right now. Up at the helm, we have obviously all of our switching. A nice little Garmin unit. Sony stereo remote up there. We have a nice stair, access up here to the bow. You can't hang up on there when you are shoaled up. Further up, obviously, is access to the anchor. Going down, give you some nice, a little bit more head clearance there, pushing that up. You see we have nice seating up here in the front. You can convert into a sleeper, so you can put these filler cushions in here. Nice spot to lay down and rest. Sink here. Canyon cooktop there. Nice little spot to store some your perishables. Head compartment. And then further back, you have room to sleep about two. There is some extended leg room there on the port side. All right, guys, again, this is Peter Solma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions about this or any other boat, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.